Hi and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to talk about the importance of a proper context. If you're not putting things into perspective and if you're not putting it in the context, then you will be stuck doing something that is not important. For an example, let's say you do your work like um, you don't plan your work. You just do what seems the best, what gives you the best money, and you don't consciously and deliberately choose the work that you will do. Like you find your true values and find the work that aligns you with those values, but you just find the what seems the best in the moment, and that will lead to tons of problems down the road. Like um, you will be unsatisfied, unfulfilled, because obviously you're doing something that you don't like, and mm, you will probably get stuck into doing into these toxic values. You will be stuck in thinking, "Oh, I need to make more money," and you will only focus on the money part, and that will also lead you to feeling pretty pretty bad and unfulfilled and burnout even. Also, you need to put your whole life into perspective and into context and see what is going on. Why am I living? Why am I doing the things I do? And then, of course, comes they do come up the existential questions. And of course, if you want to align your life to what really matters and to your truest values, you probably need to find out who you are and why are you here, and find find out the meaning of life. Because only when you do that are you able to spread that into the work that you do and into the life that you live, the people you hang around with, and all the things that you do basically. When you just let the life guide you, uh, for example, your parents tell you what you should do, or you listen to your friends what you should do, or you just do what you like, or you just do what you're good at. Of course, you're not looking at the bigger picture, you're not looking at the bigger context, so you don't see how it may lead to trouble down the road. So with everything that you do, with every habit that you have, think about it. Think about, where does this lead me to? Like, if you're eating healthy, where does it lead me? It probably leads you to a healthy and a long life. Like eating unhealthy, it leads you to unhealthy and shorter maybe life, and even worse quality life, because you feel worse than people who are eating healthy and exercising and stuff. And of course, it's not always easy to just say, "Oh, I'm gonna start eating healthy then." Of course, you're tied up to these habits that you have, but first you just need to have an ambition to see your life in a bigger way, to see that you can achieve something, to put your mind onto it. If you say that, if you actually believe that you can change your situation and um, change your life really, and change all your habits, then you will find a way, because you will fail and fail again and fail again until you do find a way to uh, change your habits and truly build habits that will make you all the things that you want from life. And I know it's sometimes hard to see beyond the pleasures of the daily stuff, like watching TV or eating unhealthy food, or having this comfort uh, w- that you get while doing stuff that it's easy, and for example you don't exercise and now it feels comfortable. Well, yeah, it is easy for now, but what will happen when you become older and when you have problems with your body because you don't take care of it? Then you're going to suffer. And the solution is to find a way to build easy habits so it's easy to sustain them, but also that put you on the right track, that can help you build up uh, the life that you really want. For example, let's say eating healthy. Well, then you need to find a way to uh, eat healthy, like 90% of the foods that you eat, and then have a couple of meals a week, or I don't know. It doesn't matter, but find the right balance. You can find the right balance for you, and you can have an easy way to eat healthy and also enjoy your foods. But you need to at least take some responsibility for your life. If you don't, like, uh, you'll do like most people do, and then fail at life. I mean, you can't really fail at life, but you can be disappointed in what you did, and disappointed in your life. Ah. So yeah, I would really encourage you to start thinking long term, and start thinking about the big picture. It doesn't matter that you have the pleasure today, because today will pass, but you suffer for the rest of your life. It's better to find a way to have the pleasure today, and also to sustain that pleasure, to enjoy every day of your life. And I'm telling you that it is possible. It is possible to exercise and eat healthy and take care of everything that needs to be taken care of, and still enjoy your life, and even enjoy your life more than those people who don't take care of these things. I honestly think I enjoy eating more than the people who don't think long term. I enjoy eating healthy foods because I found the foods that I want to eat, and that taste good to me, but they're also healthy, and of course the body feels better as well. I mean, after you eat unhealthy food, you feel awful, and that's why I'm claiming that I feel better eating healthy food than the people that eat unhealthy feel about their eating, because I feel good after eating as well, and I also I get pleasure from eating food. It is hard when you've been stuck doing the same thing for a long time. It's hard to break out of the deep-rooted habits, but you just need to focus on the long term. Like, you don't need to change it all at once. You just need to focus on taking small steps and finding what really works. And that's what my channel is about. I'm trying to help you, guide you, and I'm trying to show you these little steps and how to take those steps to then guide you to this bigger picture and this goal that you have. So focus on small steps, and in time you can come to a place where you don't struggle with bad habits anymore, and you're thriving. Your life is amazing, and you have no problems at all. If you don't focus on the big picture, you will be stuck doing unimportant things. That's it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to smash that like button and comment down below. comment comment down below for the algorithm. and subscribe if you're new so you don't miss other videos that I'll be posting in the future. Yeah, that's it. See you in the next one. Bye.